Hey everybody, let's do something different to keep it fresh. Electronic music, you're going to start working those fingers, learn some melodies with some tutorials, and in guitar we're going to learn about the amps and Logic X, but we all need to know this, so let's all listen up. If you're in piano, you're going to go to Software Instrument and bring up your piano track, okay? And I like this first one, the Bosendorfer. Okay, cool. Now let's head on over to YouTube and we can type in easy piano tutorials or your favorite song. And let's just bring up one of these tutorials and you'll see how the bars come down over the keys. And what we want you to do is to try to find those keys and just work those fingers. We're going to start working on finger independence and also just getting some melodies into your head. You can also type in your favorite song, easy piano tutorial. Keep it appropriate for school, okay? And have some fun. If you're in guitar class, what you want to do is go to the dock and open up Logic, and you're going to start a new Logic project here. And I want you to choose guitar or bass, and then click Create. You'll notice that the library opens up on the left, and we have amplifiers, and it's already set to electric guitar, and we have clean guitar, crunch guitar, or distorted guitars. Clean guitar might sound like this. Okay, let's use our scroll bar and check out what a crunch guitar might sound like. I'll choose the fat face. I like this one. Check it out. And let's head over to the distorted guitar. Okay, have some fun now. Guitar players, if you don't know how to open up Logic, just ask a digital student or a guitar veteran or me. See you out there.